What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Scoop One here. In today's video I got a small unboxing for you guys from week 19 Supreme Fall Winter 18. Fall Winter 18 is all over with, but I do have a small unboxing for you guys, so let's just get right into it. I got 3 packages. I'm not sure if you guys saw my live cop. I was able to grab 3 things and then I got 1 thing off camera, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright, let's see. They sent us a Marvin Gaye Cat in the Hat sticker pack. And only 1 thing in this package, which was the Nike gloves. I was able to grab these in black. Go ahead and take this out for you guys. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to open these up or, unds these. Alright, let's get into the second one. Okay. They sent us 2 box logos. Nice, got some money there. Alright. Polar Tech headband in the light blue. Pretty dope. Light blue. Alright, let's see if I can open this up for you guys. Alright. Bang. Supreme logo, Polar Tech tag, possible made possible. We got the Supreme New York tag, and another one of the Polar Tech tags, 200 series. Pretty dope. Not much to say. It's light blue. I do really like the color. It is pretty simple, so I am going to be keeping this one. Get into the third package. This one should have 2 items, I believe. It's going to be the last one. My last purchase from Supreme of the year. Alright. Another Supreme bag. Cool. Got another sticker pack. I'm not sure which one this one is. Okay. We got the Smile and Marvin Gaye sticker pack. Always dope. They hooked it up with 2 more box logos. I grabbed the yellow headband. I won't take this one out of the package because I already showed you guys the first one, but it's identical to the blue one. Identical, same font, same colors. Only thing is this one is yellow, this one's light blue. And the last item that was in the bag, the reflective camo trooper. I got this one in the snow camo colorway. Go ahead and open it up. This is dope. I really like this one. Got the Supreme spell out on the back. Small pocket with the Supreme branding right there. It's all reflective. Well, not a pocket, but you can flap it down. On the inside, got your Supreme logo. Really like this one. But yeah, pretty simple design overall. Some people weren't really feeling the font back here. I mean, I'm not in love with it, but it's a dope trooper. Definitely going into the collection. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any comments, questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button. That way you guys know when I put up a new video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.